lemon squares with my lovely assistant, Narvik. So, the ingredients you will need is 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of butter, 1/4 a cup of powdered sugar. That's salt. Powdered sugar. 1 cup of normal sugar. 2 eggs. 2 tablespoons grated lemon or orange peel. No. Orange. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Lemon juice. Half a teaspoon of baking powder. A quarter teaspoon of salt. And powdered sugar for the top. So, here's how to make them. So first we heat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So next we mix flour, butter, and a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. It last time and it worked out well.
It looks like banana.
Flour. You're right. Think we're finished mixing this? It looks as mixed as we can get it.
I can do the rest. I know how to do
Oops, I forgot to tell you guys you needed one of these. A baking pan. It should look like for the crust.
Now what?
Now we take it with our hands, I guess, and we smoosh it into the sides to make a 1/2 inch of crust.
What's an inch? What's a 1/2 inch?
I don't know.
1 inch
So like
is 3 centimeters about.
this one?
What's half of 3?
I don't know.
1.5 centimeters.
Now we put it in the oven.
I opened the drawer.
It's going to be hot, Nora. So I'm going to put it in and open. Okay?
No.
You can put in the other one, okay? Next one. And that we put in for 20 minutes. Turn timer to 0. No, we're baking still. Now we beat the sugar. Go get the sugar. And I'll get the eggs.
I have
The sugar. Lemon peel, and we're using orange peel.
We're using the orange peel to make it?
Yep.
Okay. I will put the orange peel in it, okay?
Now we need lemon peel, lemon juice. Need this for the orange. Covering the orange. And we need baking powder and salt. Last two ingredients. With an adult tub, we're gonna beat the sugar, eggs, lemon peel, lemon juice, baking powder, and salt until light and fluffy, about 3 minutes. Finally finished putting all of our ingredients together for the inside. And now we'll beat together for 3 minutes, and our mom is going to help us beat it with the electric mixer. So we just took our crust out of the oven. It's nice. And we also finished beating our filling. So now we're going to put it in the oven. Well, we're going to put this here in the crust for 25 minutes, and then we're going to put it in the oven for 25 minutes, and then we're going to take it out. So we've taken them out of the oven and out of the pan, and they've had time to cool. So now we're going to put the icing sugar on them, and I'm using this thing to put it on. So let's do this. So I finished these, and it looks like there's been a bit of a snowstorm and the snow got on them, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and these are going to be delicious.